Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sell something on Vinted. To do this, you want to go down to Sell. Here we can put in some information about the product we are selling. So today I'm selling a cat cushion. Cannot spell today. And here we can select category for where our item falls. Textiles, cushions. And here we have to put in all the information that it asks. The size, which is important when it comes to shipping. Condition, put in the condition of the item. Include the colors. This information helps the customer filter their search, and it will help them reach your product if that is what they want. So yeah, then put in a price. Here it will compare other items similar. My cushion special. And parcel size. If you want to know about the parcel size details, click here and I will go into more detail about that. And after that, you can upload it. And that is how you sell something on Vinted. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.